Hi everyone. Let's start with the HashMap, the simple coding. I'll explain you how to how to put the object inside the HashMap. We'll start with the simple code. Let's write like HashMap, the string. Okay. Then I go for I'm putting AA and AB. So here I'm trying to insert two different key. Let's debug and understand how it's working. Okay. Request came to here. Let's go inside the put method. Here if you can see, we open the hash map. Inside the hash map with the put value. So in the put value, we are calculating hash of the key. So key means it's a value. It will be going to a. This will be key. This is false and true. We are going. Let's go inside the how hash key is calculating. We can go inside. We'll see key double equal to null 0 h dot key hash code. See, we are checking the hash code of the key. So if it is string or any system defined object, it will be like that. If you are having go to user defined object, we need to override this function, and we are writing 3 shift with the system. Then it will be give some unique number to us. See what is the hash code? It's a 65. For capital A, it's a hash code is the 65. Key is the A. Value is the small a. It is false, and it will be going to be true. Okay. Now as it's the starting of the we have started inserting, so this table is going to be null. So what will happen? It's saying table is assigned to tab. If it is null, yeah, true. Or in tab dot length. Tab is already null, so it cannot be length should not be there. So it will be 0 for us. We'll go next. See, tab will be null. N will be nothing. Okay. So we are going to calculate the n here. So what is the tab? Tab already null. Resize. So this resize function will be going to calculate. Is this really need to calculate the what is the size of the hash map? By default, it's going to be 16. So if I go next, it will be show 16 here. Okay. Then we cross this place. This condition will come to here. Then tab I. Tab means it's going to be my newly created hash map. Okay. We hash map we created. Then we come. See, this one will this part of the code will decide which index we are going to insert our value. If you see, so that's why it's a tab and I. Tab I means I stand for index. N minus 1. N is what is the size of the hash map? It's a 16 minus 1, 16 of 15, and hash code. Hash code will be 65. By this one, it will return only quantity. The index is a 1 only. If you see, index will be 1. Correct, because it's a starting of the object. Sometimes it's not like always going to be ones. It depends on the hash code, it will be changed. Sometimes it will become 1 or 2 or 3, depends. Within 16 it will become. Then we create a new node. If you see new node, we carry hash code, key, value and null. Okay. So now we are going to go inside the how we are creating this next value. So it's by default it's a null only. Every time it is come as a null node, we are carry like this. So we create the node here, then we return a node and insert it to I. Then other code we see, we'll see next debug, we'll see what is this work doing. Then mode count, it will say how many counts are there. Once I come, it will become 1. Okay, so it here it will check threshold quantity. If this hash map size is to 12, then it will be going to resize and double up the size. Okay, so it will be checking that one. As it's not crossed, it will not come here. then it's going to, it will be callback function. If you want to really some user want to work with the some after insertion or you doing to something, then you need to override this one. As I am not doing anything, I'm not going to override, then return that. So coming back to here, if you see here, now HashMap having one object, key and value. Let's go for the second one. I'm going to second one. Similar way, hash code will be calculated. Here has B hash code will be 66, I believe. Oh, I came to, let me try with the second try. Okay. Uh, I came here, I came, sure. If you see here, hash code is 66, I believe, yeah. B having 66, key having B, value it will be small b. Same it will be false, this will be true. Okay. So next what we'll do, here if you see, already this size already we done. So this part will be not come to picture because table already having value, it's not null, so it will not come inside, and this already there. So it will not come inside, it will come to if condition. Here, as I told you, this part of your code, it will be identify which index it will be going to work. So we calculated the index. If you see, we calculating index, it will be most probably 2 or 3. I will, yeah, it will be showing to 2. So it will be inserting into 2. Let's go for the next. It's see, it's it's inserting in the sorry, it's in the single inserting the data into table index 2. Okay, so here is the normal only. Okay, so if you see now HashMap have carry two object. Next video will show how this, if you inserting two value with the same object, how it will be behaving. So bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.